Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold just a basic pouch out of a napkin. I'll be using a cloth napkin, but this also works well with a paper napkin. Now we'll start by bringing this bottom edge up to the top edge. Next, bring the top layer of that top edge down to this bottom edge. Now turn the whole thing over. Next we'll bring this edge on the left into the center. Then fold that over again right on this edge. Now fold that over one last time right on that edge. And there you have it. You can just slide your silverware right in there. And you're all done. Now I do have a playlist full of tutorials on how to fold a bunch of different silverware pockets. I'll link to that right here and in the description below. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.